pleasant day to all of you guys. So today we're going to explain about the antiderivatives and the definite integral. So the first problem from antiderivatives will give us find the antiderivatives of f first derivatives is equal to 12x squared plus 10x. So the first step we'll do is write the given and then it will goes here. So f is equal to 12x squared plus 1. So the rule in antiderivatives, we're going to add the exponent plus 1. Okay? And then we're going also write the 2 plus 1 or the addition from above the number. So 12x squared plus 1 and then over 2 plus 1. And then add 10. So since 10x, it has only one exponent. So we're going to add it by 1. So 10x, 1 plus 1, and then write also from the above of it, 1 plus 1 plus c. So to show the result, here it goes. 12x cubed because 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 cube or 3. And then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And then add 10x plus 1, then it will give us 10x squared. And then 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus c. And then the final result is just to simplify it. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 and then x cubed. Just copy the x cubed and then plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Then copy the x squared plus c. So that's how we get the answer for the first problem. So the second problem is integral. So the problem is evaluate the definite integral of 3 to then multiply by 3x squared plus 4x times dx. So here is the solution. So the definite integral of 3 to times the 3x squared plus 4x times dx is equal to definite integral of 3 to then 3x squared dx plus definite integral of 3 to 4x times dx. So the first thing we do is to separate the constant number from the values from the variables rather. So 3 definite integral of 3 to and then x squared, we separate it, and then dx, just copy the dx plus just the same process, we're going to separate it from the variables. So 4 definite integral of 3 to and then x times dx. So to show the result in the next step, we're going to add the exponent plus 1. So it goes to 3 and then x squared plus 1 is equal to x cubed over 3 because the 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, just like we do in the previous topic, and then plus 4x plus 1 and then it will result to x squared and then divided by 2 and then multiply by 3 and 2. And then the next step is to simplify it. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. It has invisible 1 here. And then x cubed, just copy the x cubed, plus the 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 and then copy the x squared. Then we're going to multiply it by 3 and 2. So to multiply it, it goes 3 to the raised to the power of 3 plus 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3 and raised to the power of 2. And then subtract it by 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2 and then raised to the power of 2. So to get the result of it or to simplify it, we're going to use the Pemdas. So we're going first to find the result from the parentheses. So it goes 3 raised to the power of 3 is result to 27 because 3 times 3 is equal to 9, then times 3 is equal to 27. That's how it goes. So plus, so first we're going to multiply it by this term. So 3 raised to the power of 2 and then it will give us 9, and then multiply it by 2. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. So minus 2 raised to the power of cube, or 3, it will give us 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. And then plus here 2 raised to the power of 2 is, it will give us 4, and then times 2 is equal to 8. So the next thing is we're going to add or subtract it all in all. So 27 plus 18 is equal to 45, and then minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, and then 45 minus 16 is equal to 29. So that's the result of our definite integral. And the last thing is, hope you learn much more in this video, and thank you very much.